if you are going to be in Vegas this weekend for the Saul Canelo Alvarez versus Daniel Miracle Man Danny Jacobs fight, the best ticket you can buy, and you got to trust me on this one, is to the Box Fan Expo. It takes place Saturday morning to Saturday afternoon, the same day of the fight. Make sure you get your ticket, and you'll get to meet some great fighters such as Thomas Hitman Hearns, James Lights Out Tony, Roy Jones Jr., Errol Spence Jr., Mikey Garcia. The list goes on. Iran Barkley, Fernando Vargas, Eric Morales, Marco Antonio Barrera, so on and so forth. Too many names to list. What I did was, right after this, I'm going to include some video from the past Box Fan Expos just to show you all the great names that are there. It's plenty of fun. Get to take pictures with the boxers, have stare downs with the boxers. And I don't care what anybody say. I started that. The stare down with the boxers, thefightjournal.com or the Fight Journal Boxing. We started that. So I'll leave. We had a funny stare down with it was Sean Porter, Yoel Casamayor, James Toney. The list goes on. So we'll try to get some stare downs this year as we'll be in the house. So check out the Box Fan Expo. Trust me. For the entire weekend, that's the best ticket you can buy, hands down.
I like the winner. Best memory. Who you got? I like the winner. I bet you know. Let's go. I bet you the winner gonna win. I bet you 100,000 winner gonna win. I bet you. Right now. Take it back. All right, 20,000. 20,000. All right, 20 G. I got the winner. All right, let's go. I got the winner. All right, we're going to see.
Triple G or Canelo?
Go Canelo.
Going Canelo? All right. You got a pick?
I'm going Triple G.
Triple G? All right. Thanks a lot, fellas.
WBC, Boxing Fan Expo, different fight people, different fight companies that come through, so it's always a nice experience.
What are you working on tonight? I know you're doing real good with announcing and all that stuff. Are you working some of the
I will be the announcer for HBO in the SAP version, so in Spanish, and I will also be working Univision before and right after the fight as well, so I hope that if you speak Spanish, tune into Univision and HBO, the SAP version pay-per-view. I'm going to be working alongside my good friend Ricardo Celis, and we're looking forward to analyzing the fight to perfection.
Well, thank you so much, and that's what makes you a versatile fighter. I mean, English, Spanish, you're good with people, you're always nice. Every time you come here, you always take care of everybody here. You're good to them.
Thank you.
Jesse, what's next for you as far as the fighting?
Well, first of all, we try to invest as much time as we can with our fans, and what we have next coming up will be October 6th, fighting on the zone, fighting against Thomas DeLorme for the WBC silver title. Don't miss out. Watch the fight. If you're able to come out to Chicago, it's going to be at the Wintrust Arena, and if you can't, watch it through the zone.
Thank you, Jesse. I appreciate you.
Anytime.
You got a pick for the night?
Huh?
You have a pick for the night?
Yeah, we do. Oh, pick. Yeah, Canelo.
Canelo?
Yeah.
All right.
I think, tell you what, I think it's a 50-55, but Canelo has the advantage.
Good shit. Mikey, Triple G or Canelo? Canelo? Oh, you hear it. Mikey Garcia is going with Canelo tonight. You are 2 for 2 with your picks, so we're going to ask you Triple G or Canelo? Triple G, hoping he goes 3 for 3, folks.
First fight, he's gonna win the
Second fight. Okay. Distance, knockout, distance, TKO.
It'd be hard to get a decision in Vegas.
Going for the gusto. That's Badu Jack, folks. Going with Triple G. Tommy, you got a pick in tonight's fight?
No free pitches, man. No free pitches.
No. Oh, no. Just want to know if you had a pick, man.
You don't get a pick at me. No, I ain't gonna tell you on camera.
Triple G?
No, Batman Robinson. You ever seen Batman fight?
Yeah.
You feel like a bat.
All right. Triple G. First question. Who you got tonight? Triple G, Canelo.
You know, I trained with Golovkin for like 4 years, so I'm got to go with my guy, but, you know, Canelo looks extremely ready, so it's 50-50. It could go either way, but I think it's going to end in a knockout. Okay. I don't know who, but it's going to be a knockout.
Okay, and lastly, if you had it to do your way, what would be next? I understand you have a fight, possibly, but let's say, okay, you win that. What would be your goal? What would be next for you?
It would either be between George Groves and I don't know. There's a lot of great fighters, man. Maybe I heard Canelo wants to come up to 168, so maybe that would be a dream come true in itself. You know what I mean? I respect Canelo, you know, but you know I feel like I have what it takes to beat him. A lot of fans would love to see that fight.
Here we have it. Thank you, champ.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Fernando. Canelo or Triple G? Canelo? Okay. Thank you. There you go. Fernando Vargas going with Canelo Alvarez. Randy Miller here in the house in Las Vegas live. So, who you got? Triple G, Canelo?
I'm gonna go with Canelo.
Going with Canelo?
I'm gonna go with Canelo. As long as he can keep his emotions in check, stick to boxing. 12-round decision.
Okay.
He's not knocking him out, I don't think.
Okay.
But if he lets the emotions get the best of him, he might get knocked out. So I'm going Canelo. No boxing.
There it is, Brandy. All right, thank you. Triple G or Canelo? Going with Errol Spence. Going with Canelo. Triple G or Canelo? Triple G gonna knock him out?
This time, Triple G will knock him out.
Okay. How would James Toney versus Bernard Hopkins have played out?
Everybody knows. It's all Hopkins. Bernard can't sit there with me. Everybody knows that. And you know that. If you don't know, you're a fool.
Thank you, James. Yeah, it's real. Don't blink. Let him know what time it is. Let him know what time it is, Brandy. Don't blink. Don't blink. It's real. He ain't got it no more. Tony ain't got it no more. You got it. He shook. He shook. He shook. Box Fan Expo 2018. Oh, come on. Demetrius, who you got tonight? Triple G? Canelo?
I mean, may the best man win. You know what I'm saying? Canelo, man, on that shit, but hopefully he's off it. And that's it, man. I don't really care. I'll fight the winner or the loser.
All right. Best wishes in Boston to you, brother.
Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
If you are in Vegas on September 15th to check out G versus Nello, the rematch, make sure you also check out the Box Fan Expo. It'll be the best ticket you buy all weekend. You'll get to meet many current and former boxers, guys like Thomas Hearns, Fernando Vargas, Andre Ward, Badu Jack, Sean Porter, James Toney, Mia St. John, David Benavidez, Jose Benavidez, Shannon Briggs, Abner Maris, Jesse Vargas, Errol Spence Jr., Mikey Garcia, Kevin Kelly. The list goes on. Eric Morales, Yoel Casamayor, Floyd Mayweather Jr., the WBC, the WBA, Adidas, Winky Wright, Zab Judah, Marcos Maidana, Berman Stavern, Leo Santa Cruz, Marco Antonio Barrera, Iran Barkley, Roberto Duran, Sergio Martinez, Terry Norris, Felix Trinidad, Evander Holyfield, Big George Foreman, Austin Trout, Timothy Bradley Jr., Paul Williams, Mike McCallum, Brandon Rios, Al Bernstein, Daniel Jacobs, Ruslan Provodnikov, Yuriorkis Gamboa, Jean Pascal, Amir Khan, Erislandy Lara, Riddick Bowe, Roy Jones Jr., The Kronk Jim, Peter Quillen, Antonio Tarver, Shane Mosley, Paulie Malignaggi, Nonito Donaire, Robert Guerrero, Ernie Shavers, A.B., Antonio Margarito, Mike Tyson, Leon Spinks, and many more. Trust me, it'll be the best ticket you purchase. Now, about 85% of those names I read have confirmed. There are some out there who may or may not show, to be honest. But historically, if you get an invite at some point during the day, you show up, and fans line up to take pictures, get autographs, talk with the boxers, the whole nine. Now, I'll be there, and I'll try to do a few things for you guys while I'm there. Alright, I'm not going to make any promises. What I'm going to try to do, since I know Errol Spence Jr. will be there, and I know Mikey Garcia will be there, I'm going to try to get those two guys to do a mock stare down. And if I get that, other cameras might be there, and they might post it before me, but trust me. Remember where you heard it first. It'll be my idea, and I'll make sure to get it, because nobody else is going to be thinking about it unless they listen to this video or steal my idea, which has been known to happen on occasion. I'm going to try to get the stare down. It's usually bananas in there, so I might not be able to get it. But what I will do is get the boxers to stare down some fans. Those are funny. And I'm gonna leave a video right after this. You'll see it, a couple stare downs in the videos from what was it, a year ago or 2 years ago? I can't remember. I think it was was it a year ago? It might have been a year and a half ago. That's what it was. When Canelo took on Junior. I got a lot of predictions. I got some stare downs. So check this video out right after I finish talking in a second. So I'll try to get a lot of predictions from boxers on who they think will win. You know, are they going to pick G? Are they going to pick Nello? Now, I won't have a lot of time between the Expo and the rematch, so I may post this video a day or two after the fight, just to summarize the entire weekend. But I'll try to get you guys some good stuff for sure. Or I may put a couple of the, just load a couple of the files just to put something out there, and then do like a whole collage like I did a couple years ago. And so the start times and all that other jazz, you know how that goes. 3-hour difference. We'll see how much I can get when we out there. So remember, check it out, the Box Fan Expo runs from about I believe it's like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, September 15th. It'll be the best ticket you purchase all weekend. Anyway, check out some of the Box Fan Expo from about a year and a half ago. Check it out.
Canelo or Junior?
Take a picture of video.
Video.
Video. What's it say?
Canelo or Junior? Who you got?
Canelo.
Canelo? All right, thank you, champ. You got Canelo or Junior?
It's horrifying. I don't know. I'm telling about this. It's horrifying.
Okay.
It's horrifying.
All right.
Great fight.
Great fight. All right, thank you. Canelo.
No, we got it.
Canelo or Junior?
Great fight. It's gonna be a great one.
All right. Hey,
First half, work distance. Last half,
come on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere.
Shit happens, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, Canelo or Junior? Canelo or Junior?
I'll take Canelo.
Canelo? All right. Chris, Canelo or Junior? Chris, Canelo?
I'll take Junior.
Oh, he takes Junior.
Ortiz or what? Waiting for that Ortiz fight.
It's not gonna happen, man. We signed a contract. He didn't sign it.
Canelo or Junior?
I got Chavez.
Chavez, yeah, okay. Canelo or Junior?
Hey, I'm going Junior.
Junior. That's Ruben Guerrero.
Looking good, man.
Picking Junior. Canelo or Junior? Canelo or Junior? Canelo? All right. E.J. Smith going with Canelo. Vernon to Vern. Canelo or Junior? Canelo or Junior, Berman? Canelo or Junior? Danny, Canelo or Junior?
Man, I think it's going to be a good fight. However you look at it, both guys coming forward to fight, so we'll see.
Okay. Canelo or Junior? Canelo or Junior?
Canelo.
Okay.
12 rounds. Unanimous.
All right. FightJournal.com. You heard it. Sean Porter likes Canelo. I'm doing video. I'm doing video. Do your selfie. I'm doing video. Go ahead. Don't laugh. Don't blink. Don't laugh. Stare him down. TheFightJournal.com. We got Sean Porter staring a fan down. And she looks serious. FightJournal.com. Here with the flushing class. Kevin Kelly. What's going on, sir?
What's going on? Doing good? And glad to be here. Look at how crazy this place is.
All right, I'm going to jump straight to it. Canelo or Junior?
I think Chavez can get him by knockout if he stays disciplined. He's taller, longer, catch Canelo reaching in. I think Canelo wins the decision though, because over a period of time, he's been trying to wear down Chavez. It's an ego fight. Because who's got a bigger ego? As long as Chavez don't lean in like his dad used to, lean in and give it to him, he has a huge opportunity to win this fight. He's got to box smart. Okay? This fight here, he got to box. But I see probably Canelo win by decision.
Okay, now, I can't help but notice a machine in the background. What's going on?
Oh, the strike back system. Let me introduce the world to the only machine in the world that strikes back. Like Bruce Lee said in a movie. He said, and that don't hit back. That does. So here's the strike back system. As you can see, we're at the EXPO. I'm out here to premiere with Frank Petrarca and his son Steve right there. Okay, we are here to take boxing to another level. Right here, the machines are MMA machines as well as the boxing machine. These are the legs. Here's the head. We're still tweaking it though. Here it comes back. And the machine rotates.
Strikes back.
Rotates, it can hit you too. We don't have it on rotate right now. We're trying to keep it simple for the fans out here so they don't get smacked up real quick or get discouraged. So these machines does good. Watch out.
Still got it.
Gotta get it. The machine does good. Here's the body. It's got a monster foam in the middle. Okay? It's got light, it's lit up and everything. Now that machine's the monster. So that's the monster. So you come and get it soon. Anybody with a gym, you can rent it. Then comes our address call right there. Call Frank on the machine. He's building them, letting them out to the gym. Alright? You contact us. There's the information.
Yes, sir. And I'll put that information at the bottom of this video. Thank you. And great to see you. Still looking good. Fans, the strike back machine. Check it out.
Casamigos staring down a fan. Who's gonna blink? Who's gonna blink? The Casamigos still have it. Who's gonna blink at the stare down? Who's gonna blink? TheFightJournal.com, baby. Yes, sir. Don't take your eyes off of him. Don't take your eyes off. Casamayor don't have it anymore.
What kind of satisfaction did you get from being able to do that? Watch the second. I think that you are one of the best in the business, and I would be honored to be working next to you at some point. It'd be amazing, and I've seen you for many, many years. I've still watching you, and I admire what you do.
Thank you, Jesse, and you're doing a great job at Community Starkers. Thank you. Jesse Vargas, ladies and gentlemen. A great ambassador for the sport.
Canelo or Junior? Who you got, Canelo or Junior tonight?
I got myself. I'm not. Those are young fighters. I'm really not educated on them guys right now. I would say Canelo.
Canelo? Okay. Thank you, champ. TheFightJournal.com here with the great Iran Barkley. Sir, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine, my brother. How you doing?
All right, we want to get your prediction. Saul Canelo Alvarez, Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. Who you got?
Well, you know something? I like both of the guys, but I gotta go with Chavez.
Okay, really? Right.
I mean, I'm sorry. I gotta go with Canelo.
Canelo, okay. Okay.
Canelo Alvarez. I gotta go with him because you know the only reason why I go like that because he came a long way. You know what I'm saying? When he used to fight, he used to just go out there and knock everybody out. You know what I'm saying? But when he got to Floyd Mayweather, Floyd schooled him how to box and how to, get it shifted. So he picked up a little craft of the boxing and started using his jab. Instead of just walking into people and knocking them out, he learned how to use his jab and everything. So Floyd Mayweather schooled him to the game. And now he's Canelo Alvarez. He don't walk in. He takes his time and he picks his punches now. But I would beat Canelo. I would think Canelo and me would be a great fight. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I would love to fight Canelo. He's a great guy. He's a great champion. But I'm a better champion.
All right. So how would that play out? Knockout?
How would that play out? Knockout. Canelo could bring all of Mexico back here and we could do something. I'll go lose the weight, come down to middleweight. Look, I'm middleweight almost. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking good now.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I can make the weight. Just give me a shot. Just give me a shot. Come on. You know what I'm saying? You the pride of all of Mexico. I'm the pride of the South Bronx. Yes, real deal, South Bronx.
Now, one thing, you shared a story about your sister, man. Can you share it with me again about your sister?
Let me tell you something, man. My sister, she was the first woman boxer besides another lady named Jackie Tonawanda that used to call herself Female Ali. These was the only two women in the 70s and 80s that would fight. You know what I'm saying? Jackie Tonawanda was fighting. Then my sister beat her up in a real fist fight in the gym that we trained in and ran her out the gym and told her, you don't know me and you a lady and I'm a lady. What you gonna tell me I can't change in this dressing room for? You gotta be out of your mind. My sister whipped her button and she ran out the gym. We never seen her no more, you know? But my sister made me fight these gang members, and when I fought him, I took over the gang. And then my homie was in the gang, so he was like, yo, you the warlord of the young Spade, the young black Spade. So, that was the history of my sister.
All right, TheFightJournal.com. Thank you, sir, for your time. We appreciate you.
Thank you.